Hello, good morning students of class 10. Today I am explaining chapter 3 values and data types. In this chapter we will understand what kind of data types we use in Java programming. First of all, I am explaining introduction. What is program? Program is a set of statements which is given by a user. We give instruction to the program, we write instruction, and that program compiler and interpreter translates into computer understandable form and vice versa also. So now I am starting first variable character sets in Java. What is first variable? Character sets in Java. Okay, so alphabets. What kind of alphabets we use in Java programming? We use two types of alphabets. So first is uppercase A to Z, and second is lowercase a to z. Okay, so Java being a programming language contains various character sets that can be used while writing a computer program. So we require these character sets while we write Java programming. So character sets are categorized into letters, digits, operators and delimiters. So we will understand each one separately one by one. Okay, so first of all, what is letter? Letter is uppercase and lowercase letter A to Z. And what is digit? Digit we have total 10, 0 to 9. Decimal number system we use, and 0, 1, 2, 3 to 9. Total 10 digits we use. Operators, we have so many types of operators, okay, like arithmetical operators, plus, minus, multiplication, division, percent sign, etc. Logical operators, that means we can relate two things like and or not. Relational operator, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, not equal to. Delimiters are like comma, okay, like small bracket, medium bracket and big bracket. Okay, punctuation marks like comma, dot and semicolon. So these are the delimiters. Okay, encoding of characters. So we have to understand whatever we write in a computer, in the program, that we write in a number, symbol and characters. These three things we use. But computer does not understand all these things directly. Computer needs a code which a computer understands. Whatever we write, compiler translates into computer understandable form, and that is coded in ASCII code, ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and Unicode. These two coding systems actually translates computer user's program into computer understandable form, and you can say vice versa also. So which one is popular nowadays? ASCII and Unicode. But we use Unicode rarely, but mostly we use American Standard Code. By the name it is clear, this coding system is developed by America. Okay, character sets coding is developed by America. That's why this system, that's why a computer understands American English. A computer does not understand British English. So we will focus on ASCII code, which is very, very important. Okay, so we will understand first of all ASCII code versus Unicode. Okay, American code, we have total, it uses 7-bit code for representing each character, and it includes 256 characters, but only 128 characters are used while designing and executing a program. How many total numbers of characters are there in ASCII code? Total 256, but in general we use only 128 characters to write a program. So total, it starts from 0 and ends till 127. Okay, total 128 characters we use in ASCII code, okay, to translate our programs into American Standard Code. Okay, so some character used in Java like 48, some examples are given here. 48 to 57, 0 to 9, okay, code and characters are given here. Okay, 65 to 90, 48 to 57, you will get 0 to 9. If you are opening, you can test it. If you are opening a notepad and hold down Alt button, after that press 48, then 0 will come. If you are by holding Alt button, if you are pressing 49, then it will show 1. If you will press by holding 57 from numeric key, 57, then 9 will come. Hold Alt button and press numeric key, okay, at the right side of the keyboard in the notepad screen. If you will type, then these codes will appear. If by holding Alt, if you are pressing from numeric key 65, then capital A will come, and 97 small a will come, 32 blanks. Like that, total 256 characters are there in the ASCII code, but in general we use only 128. Okay, so you can test all these things by pressing Alt plus 255. If you will press, what will come? So you can see by you can test it in a notepad. Okay, all these things we use in Java programming whenever we require whatever code we use for translation, translate. Okay, now Unicode is a wide representing of characters in numeric form. Okay, we represent all this in numeric form. All the characters we use in numeric form in Unicode contain hexadecimal digit ranging from 0x to 40 up to the 0x to 4f. Okay, this, by seeing this, you can understand this is the hexadecimal code. Why? Because hexadecimal starts from 0x. 0x is written before code, that's why this is hexadecimal code. And what is the base of hexadecimal? 16. And how many numbers are there in the hexadecimal? 0 to 9 and A, B, C, D, E and F. Total 16. We use total 16 digit. Okay, in hexadecimal 16-bit code, and it can address 1,37,000 characters from 146 modern and historic scripts. 1,37,000 characters are available, and 146 modern and historic scripts are available. Okay, font style, design, historic scripts are available in Unicode. So we use Unicode little bit, but largely we use ASCII code in Java programming. Escape sequence, you understand this? Okay, this is the we use in output screen. In simple way I am telling you, we use escape sequence in output screen. When we break a line, we give space in the output, we break a line in the output, then we use escape sequence. So this is available here. /T horizontal tab. If you are writing in the output, you are writing /T, then it will give you a single tab space in the output screen between the output digits or characters. Slash v, vertical tab, it will give double backslash, it will backslash, it will give like that. So many. Mostly we use slash n for new line feed. It will bring a new line. Okay.